Disabling two-factor authentication on your Walmart account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Account Security. Click on this option to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle of checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure that two-factor authentication is fully disabled. Make sure to review your account security settings regularly to keep your information safe.